Hi, Paramanand Ashok Pawar, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department, NB Navale, Sinhagad College of Engineering, Solapur. I have completed my B from Government College of Engineering, Jalgaon. After that, I have completed my MTech in Power System from TIT Bhopal. Now, currently, I am having the 8-year teaching experience. Today, we are discuss one of the topic of synchronous motor, and that is called as hunting of a synchronous motor. The another name of the hunting is the phase swinging of a synchronous motor. The phenomena of a oscillation of rotor about its equilibrium position, this is called as hunting, and most of the time is in a synchronous motor this effect is occurs. So let's will discuss in detail what do you mean by hunting and what are the different causes, what are the remedies, and what are the different precautions while we are taking to reduce the hunting of a synchronous motor. So as shown in figure, there is a stator and a rotor circuit of a synchronous motor in which the swinging of a rotor is shown by the different dotted lines. Swinging or the hunting means that the rotor position is changed about its equilibrium position. So this is called as hunting of a synchronous motor. So the phenomena of the oscillation of rotor about its equilibrium position is called as hunting. So as we know that the fundamental torque equation of a synchronous motor, that is Te is equal to 3 into V into GEF divided by omega S into X into sine del, where V is equal to terminal voltage, EF is equal to excitation voltage, Ws is the angular velocity in terms of RPS, X is the synchronous reactance of a synchronous motor, del is the angle which is called as torque angle, that is the angle between the excitation voltage and terminal voltage. So as shown in that particular equation, the del is increase, then T is increase. So motor will accelerate at again D1 position. So D1 is the first position of the rotor. If del is decreases, then T is decreases, motor deaccelerate at the position, that is D2 position. So this relationship is shown in that particular figure in which rotor position del 0 at a standstill position. So after accelerating, the rotor position is del 1, and after deaccelerator position, that is this is called as the position number del 2. So the oscillations of del 0 from del 1 to del 2, this is called as hunting or phase swinging of a synchronous motor. So during the rotor oscillations, the phasor of EF, that is changes relative to the phasor of V, hunting is also called as phase swinging because the phase is swing about its equilibrium position. So the term hunting is used to signify after sudden applications of load, the rotor attempts to search for the new equilibrium space position. So this term is called as a hunting of a synchronous motor. So will discuss what are the different causes of hunting. So the first cause of the hunting is that sudden change in load. So this is the first cause. Second cause, faults occurring in a system which generator supplies. So second cause, the faulty condition. The third cause is sudden change in field current. If we are changing the field current suddenly, then the hunting is occurs in a synchronous motor. And the fourth primary cause of the hunting is the cyclic variation of load torque. So the load torque is variant, then the swinging or hunting is occurs in a synchronous motor. So after considering the different causes of hunting, will discuss what are the different effects of hunting on a synchronous motor. The first effect on the hunting on a synchronous motor is that it can lead to loss of synchronism, means the phase locking between or the magnetic locking between stator and rotor will be loose. So the effect of hunting is loss of synchronism. The second effect of the hunting is that it can cause variation of supply voltage, producing the undesirable lamp flickering. The third effect of swinging is that it increases the possibility of resonance if the frequency of the torque component becomes equal to the transient oscillation of synchronous machine. Resonance takes place. So this is the third effect of hunting. So let's start the fourth effect, that is large mechanical stresses may develop in the rotor circuit. And last effect is that the machine lows increase and temperature of machine rises. So these are various effects of hunting which are carried out on a synchronous motor. So the main effect is to lose of synchronism, second the variations of supply voltage, third that is resonance, fourth that is loss large mechanical stresses, and last one is the machine losses are increasing and temperature of machine is rises. So the breakdown will be occur due to the effect of hunting of a synchronous motor. So we'll start what are the remedies while we are preventing this type of hunting of a synchronous motor. This is also called as the different reduction techniques of hunting of a synchronous machine. So the first type of reduction for the hunting is by using damper winding. So by using damper winding we are reducing the effect of hunting. The second, that is use of flywheels. Basically the prime mover is provided with large and heavy flywheel. This they increase the inertia of the prime mover and helps maintaining the rotor speed constant. So this is the second method to reduce the hunting effect of a synchronous motor. So let's start the third type of method which will be reduce the hunting effect, and that is by designing synchronous machine with suitable synchronizing power coefficient. And if we design the synchronous machine with desirable characteristics of synchronizing power coefficients, then it will be reduce the effect of hunting of a synchronous motor. So this is in concern with the different causes of hunting, the remedies, and basically the effects of hunting in concern with a synchronous motor. Thank you very much.